Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to download TikTok video without watermark. To download a TikTok video without the watermark, you must use a third-party website or application, as TikTok's native download button always includes the logo. Now, to download TikTok videos without the watermark, all you have to do is simply open your TikTok application, then find yourself a video that you want to download. Now, once you do so, go ahead and tap on this share button, which is located on your right hand side toolbar or navigation bar. From there, go ahead and tap on this option called copy link. Now, once you copy this specific video's link, head back to your home screen on your device. From there, open any browser. Then tap on this search bar. From here, you should be able to find a lot of link downloaders from your browser. Go ahead and type in TikTok download from link. Now you should be able to find a lot of top sites over here. All you have to do is go ahead and log into any of these sites. From there, go ahead and paste your link that you have previously copied from that specific video, and you should be able to find your download option over there, and your videos should be downloaded into your gallery, and from here you can access it, and the video will also not contain logo of that specific creator. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.